Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video guys, we are going to show you how to cook goulash. Dahil weekend ngayon, sasamahan ako ng aking husband kung paano magluto ng goulash. Kaya parang banding na rin namin kasi nga weekend. I'm not so sure kung talagang German food ito, kayo nang mag-research. Ganon. Basta, favorite ng family ko to at magluluto kami! So these are our ingredients. 1.5 kilo beef.
Chopped beef.
Yeah, chopped beef. Sabi ni Dongski. And 800 grams na pork. Chopped pork. And then we have here 2 kilos of white onion. We have also tomato sauce. 2 packs for 500 grams of tomato sauce. And we have tomato paste. 3 pieces. Okay, and this is
80 grams.
200 gram each. So we need all in all 600 grams at least. Yan. So first nire-ready namin yung white onions. Ayan. Lahat 2 kilos onions kailangan ubusin. Actually, mas marami, mas masarap. But, 2 kilos na lang natira sa white onions ko. The size is still too big. So, we have to slice it a little bit.
In cubes of the size of dices, kannst du sagen. Würfelform.
In dices.
Dice, Würfel. Sind nicht in den Zähnen.
Okay. So, iyan na lahat. Oh, dami, no? Medyo marami din. Puno yung alat. More than 2 kilos. Dong, right? 2.3 kilos. All in all. So, this is how it looks like after, slice in dice. Slicing in dice size. Yeah. We're going to, heat the oil. Ayan, nalagyan ko na ng oil. Konti lang. Kasi may fat na yung meat natin. So, medyo malaki yung pot. Diba? So, ilalagay natin tong meat dyan. Para, anuhin mo natin siya. Prituhin natin muna siya yung para mag-brown-brown siya, guys. I will show you. Wait lang. Ooh. Careful! I love it. This is the best part ever. Sige pa more. So, habang piniprito pa natin yung meat, guys, ayan, i-ready na natin yung ating white onion. Oh my God.
Big cubes.
Cheers while waiting. Oh my God, my hair looks like, aswang. Ayan. Cheers while waiting. Good for the nerves. So guys, yung pagluluto ng ganito, it will take up to 3 hours. Kasi kailangan mo siyang hayaan na mag-cook hanggang sa lumambot yung meat natin. Kaya may oras pa tayo talaga. Ang dami nating oras kasi nag-start tayo ng 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we will see kung anong oras tayo matatapos. Okay? Cheers! So we hired a new helper here. Her name is Johanna Malditz. Si Wananing. Yeah. Istorbohin natin ang chopper. Cheers first, chopper. So we're still waiting na mag-brown siya. You see, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming oil kasi nagpo-produce siya ng fluid or fat dyan. So konting oil lang nilagay ko at first. Ayan. So hintayin natin mag-brown yan, guys. Hintayin natin mag-brown, okay? Cook huwag kalimutan, lagi natin siyang lagi natin siyang i-mix kasi baka masunog, hindi din maganda pag masusunog. We added some brandy, my goodness. But it's optional, guys. Must not be. Para lang yung...
Makes the meat smooth.
Yeah, to make the meat smooth. So, must not be. If you have lots of time...
Rum is better.
Yes. Rum is better. You said. Okay. Go. Add some pepper. Right there, like that. Okay, the onion powder. I mean some garlic powder. My goodness. Mix again. Broth cubes, 3 pieces. Just put it right there. Yeah. Mas masarap pag may broth cubes. Beef broth cubes. Yung gamit namin. Para mas siya. Yummy. Yes, onion, white onion. Pamaya. Sigputin. And then, lugayin. Ayan. So guys, we add some garlic. It's optional, but my husband and I, we both love garlic. That's why. But if you don't like garlic or whatever, must not be. It's not that necessary. It's time for tomato sauce. So, to mix. Don't forget to mix para hindi masunog, guys. Kasi pag sunog, wala talaga. Bitter na siya. Parang si ex mo na super bitter. So, just like that. Because it really depends on the consistency, right, Dong? So, kayo ang guys. Kayo ang decide. Kasi yung consistency niya, kailangan nag-match doon sa ating needs. Like that. Para hindi siya, hindi kulang yung recipe natin or yung ingredients natin, di ba? So, tomato paste tayo. Uubusin natin yung 3. Tomato paste. Mas malapot, mas masarap. Diba? Hala. Push more pa dong more. Hala ka diha. Sarap. Sarap. Nagmukha na siyang masarap. Is that a German food, dong? This is not German food. Hungary? Hungarian. What? Hungarian. Ganon? Hungarian food?
That makes hunger.
Yeah, that's why it makes me hunger. Because it's Hungarian.
White cabbage.
Sour white cabbage. Right? It's not a white cabbage?
Yeah, white cabbage.
Okay. White cabbage, but sour. It's her time to shine. Push pa more, dong. My gosh. Alabira. Sige pa, dong. Kana, dong. Sige pa, dong. So, after ng guys, yung sour white cabbage, lugayin lang natin siya. And then, after natin siyang malugay, hayaan lang natin siya dyan para mag-smooth yung meat. I think we have to let it there for at least minimum 1 hour. Yes, minimum.
A few moments later.
Time to taste.
Yeah.
Sarap. We eat it with rice. Ganito.
Das war schön.
Red wine, perfect for this, na? Red wine lagi kami.
Dein Teller
Sarap
schon
talaga.
leer.
Kain tayo, guys! Bye! Thank you so much for watching!